Alright, blood clots, we're gonna make some quick breakfast tortilla type thing, you get me? We need a good non-stick pan, tortillas of course, egg, cheese, or whatever the bumper clot you're gonna put in the thing. See, I'm putting fresh garlic and pepperoni and thing. And maybe milk just in case if you got some tiny eggs. Add garlic, your garlic or whatever you have stand and your pepperoni into the blood clot thing, man. How am I supposed to do this with one hand? Fling it. Blood clot in there. Me, I separate it. Okay, pepperoni all separated and thing. You warm it up. Put 2 eggs in a bowl. Oh, blood clot. I can't do this with one hand. Oh shit. Oh shit. Why am I doing this with one hand? Wanna get shelling this motherfucker? Oh shit. Blood clot one hand. Yes, no. Anyway, put the 2 eggs in the bowl. Add a little milk if you want it a little fluffy. Oh, that's it. Blood clot, everything with one hand. Look, blood clot. A little tip, not too much. A little tip. Look, there you go, a little tip. Season with salt and pepper and all the blood clot things you have to do. Mix up the blood clot thing. One hand blood clot mixing. Blood clot mix. Ah yes, boy, me I got it. Me look like mixer now. Look, pan the mix. Wait a second. Let me mix on the mixer. Yes, now mix on the mixer. Now your thing in the bowl, a nice and warm up thing. You add the egg. Paya! Boom shack attack. Leave it for a moment to, solidify, swirl it around and thing. Sushi. Let it get a nice little top on it like this. Give it a few hot moments. Let it, make sure the pan nice and hot. Then you get the cheese and you sprinkle on top. Get some cheese and sprinkle. Sprinkle cheese. Sprinkle. You want more cheese? You need more cheese. Plenty cheese. Cheese are glue to stick the wrap to the thing. So you go like this. Plenty cheese. And when you got pure cheese on it like that, you grab one of the wrap and pow! And blam, you just throw it down on top. Give it a hot moment for the cheese to get all melty and stick to the damn tortilla. And we're back. Okay, now the bottom will cook a little bit. You take the plate. Oh, blood clot, I can't do this with one hand.
Maybe I can hold it over.
No, because you gotta friggin'... Oh, you just drop it anyway. Boom, bang, you drop it. I can't do this with one hand now. Tushy, I need you. Blood clot. Just hold it.
Sorry.
Hold it for a second. You hold it, blah, 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 flip. Bam. Don't it look beautiful like a motherfucker?
Oh, kurwa.
And then you slide that back onto the tin. And go pie with some more cheese.
Sorry.
Cheese all over the blood clot thing. Plenty cheese. And then you get second tortilla and bam. Bam right on top. And then you fry one side, you fry the next side, and then you have breakfast tortilla. Okay, now that you done one side, you flip it over. Nice and brown and crispy. Slide it back onto that again. Okay, and once the other side done, you slide it off. Blood clot me now, slide it off. Jesus Christ. Blood clot me and slide it off. There you go. Yeah, pizza chop it. And you enjoy. Check the cheese pool. Aye, Jesus. Oh no, cheese pool. Well, anyway, blood clot breakfast.